Has your doctor prescribed you metformin? Are you interested in learning more about metformin? Are you taking metformin and have many unanswered questions? If your answer to these questions is yes, we can help. In this mini video series on metformin, we'll cover: what is metformin? How does metformin work? When to take metformin? What are the most common side effects of metformin? When you should not use metformin? Metformin and alcohol, what's the relation? Can using metformin make you fat or lose weight? And answers to other questions that you may have. You can watch the complete playlist on metformin videos, or choose specific videos from the links available in the video description. Stay tuned.